Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Emma. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hi, Liam. I'm doing okay, but I feel a little tired these days.
Oh no. Why? Are you not sleeping well?
Not really. I go to bed late because I use my phone too much at night, and in the morning, I feel so sleepy.
That sounds bad. Sleep is very important for your health. Maybe you should try sleeping earlier.
I know, but it's hard to stop scrolling on my phone.
I understand. I had the same problem before. Now, I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed. It helps a lot.
That's a good idea. I should try that.
Yes, you should. And how about your eating habits? Are you eating well?
Not really. I skip breakfast sometimes because I'm in a hurry.
Skipping breakfast is not good. You need energy in the morning.
I know, but I don't have time to cook.
You don't need to cook something big. Just eat a banana or some yogurt.
That sounds easy. I'll try that from now on.
Good. We need to take care of our health.
Yes, I agree. What about you, Liam? How is your health?
I feel good, but I think I need to exercise more.
Oh, me too. I don't move much because I sit all day at school.
Same here. Maybe we should talk about ways to stay healthy.
That's a great idea. Let's start with food.
So, Emma, what do you usually eat for lunch?
Sometimes I eat a sandwich, but sometimes I just grab fast food because it's quick.
Fast food? That's not very healthy.
I know, but it's easy and delicious. I love burgers and fries.
I like them too, but eating too much fast food is not good.
You're right. I should eat more vegetables. Do you eat healthy food?
I try to. I eat a lot of vegetables, fruits, and protein like chicken and fish.
That sounds good. But I don't really like vegetables.
Maybe you can try different kinds. Some taste better than others.
That's true. I like carrots and cucumbers.
See? That's a good start. You can also try eating more fruit.
Oh, I love fruit. I eat apples and bananas almost every day. That's great. Fruits have lots of vitamins. What about snacks? Do you eat snacks during the day?
Yes, but I try to eat healthy snacks, like nuts or yogurt.
That's a good idea. I usually eat chips or candy.
Maybe you can replace them with healthier options.
Yes, I should. I think eating healthy will give me more energy.
Definitely. Good food makes you feel good.
Okay, I'll try to eat better. But I also need to exercise more.
Me too. Let's talk about exercise next.
So, Liam, do you exercise a lot?
Not really, but I try to stay active. I go for a walk every evening.
That's good. Walking is very healthy.
Yes, it helps me relax too. What about you?
I don't exercise much. I sit a lot at school, and when I get home, I just watch TV or use my phone.
Oh, that's not good. You should move more.
I know, but I don't like running or going to the gym.
That's okay. Exercise doesn't have to be boring. You can do something fun.
Like what?
You can try dancing, swimming, or even yoga.
Oh, I like dancing. Maybe I can dance for exercise.
That's a great idea. Dancing is fun and good for your body.
Do you do any sports?
Yes, I play soccer with my friends on weekends.
That sounds fun. Do you play in a team?
No, we just play for fun at the park. You should come and play with us.
I don't think I'm very good at soccer.
That's okay. It's just for fun and exercise.
Maybe I'll try. I really need to be more active.
Yes. Moving your body is important for good health.
I agree. Okay, I will try to exercise more from now on.
Great. Now, let's talk about our health goals.
So, Liam, what's your health goal for this month?
I want to exercise more. My goal is to go for a walk every day and play soccer at least once a week.
That sounds like a great plan.
Thanks. What about you? Do you have a health goal?
Yes, I want to eat healthier. I will eat more vegetables and try to drink more water.
That's a great idea. Drinking water is very important.
Yes, I always forget to drink enough water.
Maybe you can carry a water bottle with you. It helps me remember to drink more.
That's a smart idea. I'll do that.
And I will try to dance more. You inspired me to try a new way to exercise.
That's great. We can both try something new.
Yes, and maybe next weekend we can go for a walk together.
I'd love that. It will be fun and healthy.
Yes, let's do it.
Well, I have to go now, but I'll see you soon.
Okay, take care and stay healthy.
You too, Liam. Bye.
Bye, Emma.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.